First, we prime the eyelids for a clean base. This removes redness and makes colors pop. Starting with the shade called Velvet. Covering smiles. Blending slowly for a smooth transition. Adding a warm brown for depth. Focus on the outer corner. Combed with a beige. Now the star, golden shimmer. And these are champagne gold for holiday glow.
Perfect den, perfect for festive season.
Fingers help glitter stick better. Using gel liner as base. Layering makes it extra black. Smoky touch underneath. A little sparkle here. Time to curl the lashes. My favorite mascara moment.
Taste boon for down, adding fluffy glam lashes.
Place close to lash line.
Eyes already coming alive.
Blend once more for perfection.
And the purple foundation, golden glitter magic.
Holiday glam, I'm ready.
Look at that shine.
From basic to glam.
Feels pleasant. Feel confident and bold.
Tools matter too.
Try this look yourself.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you next video. Bye, guys.